Start the machine. Press start for 2 seconds. Set the temperature and time. Pillow printing we use 190 degree, 60 seconds. Press first time to set the temperature of 190 degrees. Press the second time to set the time of 60 seconds. Now let's print this magic pillow case. This is a printed transfer paper. This is a printed transfer paper. Cover the paper on the pillow's surface. Then adjust the pressure. Twist the handle. When the time is finished, you can hear the beep warning sound. After the countdown is over, the production is over. Well, let's look at the printed result. The pattern is very beautiful. Thank you for watching the instructional video. The next time, bye.